the day tag. In the previous chapters, we used Copilot to draft a marketing report and expand it using an outline. Now, it's time to refine your content. Whether you need to adjust the tone or simply tighten up your writing, Copilot can help make your documents clearer, more professional, and concise. In this chapter, I'll show you how to edit your text and change the tone with just a few clicks. Before we begin, hit subscribe and check out the written guide in the description for a step-by-step walkthrough of this tutorial. Let's jump right in. Let's say you have finished drafting a report or email, but something feels off. Maybe the tone isn't quite right, or some sentences are too long and need to be shortened. This is where Copilot comes in handy. With just a few commands, you can refine your content and make sure it fits the context, whether that's making it more formal, concise, or polished. So here's how you can use Copilot to quickly edit and refine your writing. First, find a section you want to edit in your document. Let's say you have written this sentence, but it feels a bit too formal for the audience. So let's ask Copilot to rewrite this section in a more casual tone. And you see that it was able to regenerate a sentence that sounds a lot more casual. If you want to keep the language of the report very simple, you can even give prompt suggestion like, rewrite this in a way that a 5-year-old would understand. You see that it was able to rewrite this with very simple English. So just like that, your formal content now reads a lot more casual and understandable for a younger audience. Now let's move on to refining sentences that may be too long or unclear. Maybe you have written a section of your report that feels wordy or difficult to understand. So here's an example. Let's take the conclusion. Suppose that we find it a bit too wordy. You can ask Copilot to shorten this paragraph. And within seconds, Copilot will provide a clear, more concise version of the conclusion. So now your sentence is a lot more streamlined and it's a lot easier to read and understand. One thing to note is that Copilot wouldn't replace your text automatically, so you will have to delete the old sections by yourself. As you may have seen by now, Copilot isn't just useful for the entire paragraph. It can also help with individual sections of your document. For instance, if you're working on a marketing report but need to adjust tone only for conclusion section or only for a specific sentence, you can highlight just that part and ask Copilot to make the tone more persuasive or change tone to more formal or casual. So this allows you to maintain the right tone for different sections of your document, ensuring it's well tailored to your audience. And that's how you can use Copilot to edit and refine your content in Word. Whether you need to adjust the tone, shorten sentences, or improve clarity, Copilot makes the process quick and easy, ensuring your document looks polished and professional. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to transform unstructured text into tables using Copilot, an incredibly useful feature for organizing data and presenting it more clearly. So make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.